Hello, my friends. Well, rainy morning, and driving in the rainy morning is a big challenge. The visibility is less, and yes, in the morning. But overall, I love driving in the morning. I love the sound of the rain. I love the greenery around the roadside. Although, but I don't like is the lot of traffic around me, a lot of big vehicles, something like this big truck. I don't like these big trucks meandering around me during rain. I don't like to be driving in the kind of construction zones. So in the morning, it's the morning time, going to the work and just driving in the rain. I love to drive in the slow speed, just cozy driving, lovely driving. You see, different people are going out there to their job destination, and all the way around, things looks pretty amazing. So I think the best key to driving in the rain is drive on the slow speed between 60 and 70. Yeah. So generally the fast moving traffic and the rain is very boring. But I love to drive in this fashion. Look at this truck. Yeah. The back tires of the truck look weird. And then there is another trailer going on there. We'll be passing soon. Look at this big trailer going on in the rainy day. The rainy day driving is not easy. My friend, if you like these kind of natural videos, live videos, please subscribe to my YouTube. Look at this. Pretty confusing.